Hi guys! First night namin dito sa Shangri-La Hotel. And we decided na mag-order na lang kami ng room service. Inamad yung mga person na lumabas. Going to the restaurant, guys. So ayan, tinignan ko yung magkano yung bills namin. Kinabahan ako sa in-order ni Mr. Kasi parang parang gutom na gutom si Mr. Parang pang last dinner na namin to, guys. Ang dami niyang in-order. Hindi pa naman ako yung super gutom, guys, kasi kumain nga kami kanina ng late lunch. Kaya ayan yung in-order ni Mr. My burger with french fries, salad. Ayan, okay na ako sa salad na yan, guys. Super yummy yung salad na yan. And then ano po ba yung in-order niya? Ayan, may steak. Yeah. So, enjoy namin tong dinner na to, guys. Kain tayo! Up to you. Good morning! Good morning, guys! Good morning. How was your sleep, darling?
It's good.
Good morning! Oh, today, pupunta tayo sa guys, sa buffet area nila. Do you know the place? No. Yeah. So, pupunta tayo sa breakfast again, guys. In this building, they have the villa is more expensive. Like those, the villa.
Oh, yeah, that's like a little house.
Yeah. If I want Lotto, I'm going to get that villa and bring my whole family to experience it. We're going to the lift, right? To the...
Yeah, the Thomas in this center part is down.
Today, umiikot ang mga social na persons. And guys, kakatapos lang namin ng breakfast. Super busog kami, hindi ako mag-video sa buffet breakfast, guys, kasi ang daming tao. And ito, iniikot namin itong Shangri-La Resort. Yung property nila, super lucky. As in, namangha talaga ako, super lucky, guys. And super ganda at ang linis ng guys, ng resort na to. Sarap tumira talaga dito, guys. Super na-amaze ako. Talagang siya maintain nila yung kalinisan. Hindi siya crowded na resort, guys. Talagang siya worth it yung binayad namin. Did you see a starfish already?
Did you?
I've seen a lot there in the other bay, a starfish.
That's not starfish.
What is that?
Blowfish. I don't know.
See? Yeah, ito yung pride ng Boracay. I think they're beaches, but that's their pride. Beautiful. So, yun yung room namin. Diyan banda. Yung room. Yeah. And pag marami ka talagang pera doon kasi taas.
Okay, we're pretty far.
Uh-huh.
down.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
So what do you want to do? Do you want to try to get that 11 o'clock
Yeah.
shuttle?
Yeah.
And where does that pick up from?
In the
The lobby?
yeah.
We'll do that today.
So the station
Then
to
we'll come back. We'll,
hit to the gym.
yeah, go to the gym and then maybe come down to the water and then maybe come over to the pool or have a
Yeah.
drink. But we need to make a reservation too for
Yeah.
if we can get something for dinner. Sun's hot.
I love it.
How do we-
So I like this kind of bamboo house. Yeah, let's go up here today. I think we can go up here. You're the boss. I'll be following you. See this? I like this kind of. I'm not sure if this is a tiles or.
Dead end.
Yeah. Yeah, dead end. Hi guys. How's your workout?
Good.
Good?
Yeah. Sweat a lot.
Mm-hmm.
It's hot in there.
No, it's good.
Yeah.
Oh, nice breeze.
I wonder what, is it good to run along the beach?
I don't know.
Is the sand stiff enough or is it, if it's too loose, it's too...
Hi guys! Ano na dito? Gabi na siya. Like 6 o'clock, right? So si Mr. Yeah, si Mr. nagpa-book ng dinner sa isang restaurant dito. So I need to be wearing my nag-iisang sandal, guys. My one and only sandals. Ito yung gagamitin natin. I need to get the pinangbalot ko. Kasi dadalhin pa natin to sa Hong Kong. So, our honeymoon is from Manila. And then Mindanao. And then Boracay. And then next will be Hong Kong, guys. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Our second honeymoon?
Yeah. Our third honeymoon.
What was the first one?
Well, Manila.
Oh no, I mean Hawaii, right?
Oh yeah, this will be...
The big island.
Yeah.
But that wasn't...
Ito, favorite ko talaga ito na ano guys, ay, na sandals. Steve and Madden. Ano? Lakas makasosyal nito guys. Parang mamahal, parang yung paa mo naging mamahali na siya. Dapat. Napakita ko sa inyo ha. Oh. Yan. Okay. We had a good workout, right today?
Killer.
May mga ano din sila yung parang workout. Is that 40 minutes workout?
Yeah.
But before that,
It was
nakapag
intense.
treadmill na ako and then nakapag ano na ako ng ibang floor workout. And then nag kami lang dalawa kasi walang ibang na-join. So may mga special sila na may workout na may trainers. So yun. Kami lang dalawa ni Mr. It was intense workout. Yeah, keep it. I'm going to use that for my sandals. So,
yeah, that was killer.
Yeah. Already coming mag-dinner. Seafood yan, guys. I'm not sure kung ano yung ordering ko. Baka ano din ako sa salad. Last night, it was a good dinner, right? Room service.
It was good. Yeah, it was very
daming in order ni Mr. Yung kinain ko, siya yung kumain ng burger ko. Yung kinain ko was a Caesar salad na may chicken. Tapos, nag-order din si Mr. ng extra na salad din na pumpkin na roasted na may arugula and cheese. And then, there are ratatouille. It's okay, right? I think I can make that at home.
I like the potatoes.
Yeah, and then the potatoes. Yeah, the gratin potatoes. Yun. Masarap yung dinner namin kagabi. Although hindi kami lumabas. Ngayon, lalabas tayo guys sa isang seafood restaurant. Are you ready, mister?
Almost.
Okay.
Almost.
So, yung dress natin guys, di na ako nagpalit kasi I love this dress. from H&M lang to guys. Yan. Ano yung sinuot ko kanina? Ito din yung sinuot ko ngayon kasi mahirap magpalit ng damit dito. Ang mahal magpa-laundry guys. Tapos po, kung magpapa-laundry ka, pupunta ka pa ng D-Mall. Nagpunta kami kanina, grabing tao. Akala ko yung D-Mall is yung ano siya ba, mall na sa loob. Yun pala, parang ano siya, yung tourist area na ang daming mga ano, tinda ng mga damit, sandals, shoes, na maraming mga restaurant na pwedeng pagkainan. Hindi kami kumain ni Mr. kasi nga busog kami sa breakfast. Bumili lang kami ng konti na ano, mga konting pasalubong. Yun. Yun yung ganap natin for today. And hindi kami nagpunta ng beach. Umikot lang kami kanina guys. Ano? Super ganda. Ayan. Grabe. Yan yung view na yan. Nakapagmahal ng ano na to. At saka yung service ng ano, mga tao. Grabe yung kanina na ano kami yung nag-welcome sa amin kahapon ba. Naalala yung ano namin na, oh, how's your night, sir and mom? Right? The service here, it was really
fast.
Good.
Yeah.
Right?
Good and fast. Yeah.
And the people, they're very nice. Yeah.
Quick.
Yeah. So, this is my bag. Ayan. Mura lang to guys. Binili ko siya sa Kultura. And super nagandahan ako. Ayan. I can bring this.
Ready?
Yeah, ready, sir.
Let's go eat.
Let's go and chow down. Hi guys! On the way to the Surwena restaurant, sumakay kami ng ano guys, buggy nila. May mga service buggy sila dito guys. Kung saan mo gustong pumunta, hatid ka nila. Ayan, sumakay na kami kasi ayaw naming malate ng ano ng nagpabook kasi si Mr. ng 6 o'clock. So dapat 6 o'clock nasa restaurant na kami.
Brand Arthur.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Your table's actually ready.
Okay.
Oh, so that's the private beach.
So they do all that stone and get this like.
I know. Yeah. That's what we're gonna.
290.